All right, if you have a lot of hats, you should check out this hat rack right here. I do have a lot of hats, and I've never had a good storage solution until now. This is actually really cool. And here it is. It's as simple as that. They actually give you 2 of these and also some brackets for putting this onto the wall. So yeah, you can put these onto the wall, or you can just lay them down flat and you can put your hats in them that way. You actually just take the brim of the hat, you just put it right here in this little slot here, and you just fill up your hats. You get 7 spaces for your hat, 14 altogether if you count both racks, and they're just easy to slide in there, and then they stay. And then when you pull them out, you just pull them out. Very simple. And man, where's this been my whole life? I have never had a good hat solution, and now I do. This is really cool. It's good quality as well, so it's very strong. And yeah, you can mount this onto the wall if you want it to just sit on the wall for a little bit more room, maybe in your closet. If you have like a dresser drawer, you could set this on top of it, and then you can just put your hats on like that. Very simple to use and just a really good solution. So great idea, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.